feel like, does no one see him?
I don't think so. It was a good time here, you know?
But he was coming up on the beach like he was gonna do something to someone. I'm happy he's just like, it looks like he's enjoying it. I'm surprised the volunteers aren't, oh my God, please back up. I'm surprised the volunteers aren't like stepping in. You know that guy's a freaking local because he's just chilling right there. Everyone else is freaking out on the beach. And there's a sea lion like right there. Oh shit. Look at this pool. I love how the kid behind him don't even care.